that you should be able to do before taking the PMP exam. Number 1, be able to write out all 47 processes. Have those memorized. Number 2, make sure you've memorized all the formulas. 3, read the PMBOK. 4, read the PMBOK glossary so you're very familiar with the PMI vocabulary. 5th and final thing you should be able to do before entering the PMP exam is to take a mock exam and to understand why you missed the questions that you missed.